What's up, everyone? I want to go over two trades that I signaled in the Discord on Friday and how we capitalized for a 30% return on one and a 100% return on the second. So let's get right into it. So to begin the day, I had an overall bearish sentiment for the day. The daily chart had a rounding top along with a bearish candlestick pattern from the previous day's close. So I told the team I'd be looking for some short setups. Nonetheless, to start the day, we had one of my favorite trading strategies presented to us, and that was bullish divergence. So you can see here with this yellow line, the chart plotted lower lows, while the MACD and the RSI plotted mutual to slightly higher lows. So that's a signal that the price is probably going to move up, at least momentarily. Then we also were bouncing down in the oversold range of the RSI, potential to bounce and move back up to the overbought. Bullish MACD cross set up and took place, and buying momentum re-enter in the market. So a lot of confluence among the indicators that we're going to see a move up here. So I signaled to the team, we took calls, and had a nice move up. As we approached this bearish trend line, you can see we rejected pre-market, opening, and then we approached it again off that divergence move. And so I told the team I was trimming. And then as we started to pull back, I exited my position for minimal profits. And then I switched to a bearish look and decided to take SPY puts here on what we were presented with is a bear flag setup. So you can see here is the flagpole down. Then these two trend lines here formed a flag. And here's an example I got off Google. You can get on there and look at more examples yourself to help you identify those. So I signaled here that I was entering a short position, got SPY puts, and rode it all the way down and was able to exit on this candle here for 100% return. It was 96, but let's call it 100. And if you want to get an idea of how to range how far it's going to move down, you can take this here. You draw your flagpole from the initial move down to the top of the upper trend line and just duplicate that, put it at the breakout, and that is typically how much of a move you're going to see down. And as you can see, that was perfectly down to my exit level. So we traded bullish divergence and a bear flag. We were able to make profits on the stock market moving up and down. Hope all this was helpful. If you have any questions about indicators or any of these trading strategies, feel free to hit me up. Look for them in the future, and let's make some money together.